सो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आई एम योर होस्ट प्रवेश। सो चलिए गाइस शुरू करते हैं। सो गाइस आज हम लास्ट वीडियो में जो हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए थे, आज हम उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस को जो हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किया था आज उनके आंसर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। सो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। गाइस आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन बुक वैल्यू एंड मार्केट वैल्यू। सो बुक वैल्यू मीन्स व्हेन यू परचेज एनी एसेट्स and all the expenses are taken place while purchasing an asset, and all the expenses are recorded in our book of accounts, that is called book value. And market value means the current price of asset is prevailing in the market, that's called market price, or you can say market value. So guys, our next question is capital budgeting. Capital budgeting means it is the process of making investment decision. It is in capital, it is in capital form or it is in fixed assets. So guys, हम इसको इसी ऐसे समझेंगे, जैसे आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं आपके पास, तो आप ये देखेंगे कि जो प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं आपको फिक्स्ड एसेट्स में इन्वेस्ट करें। जैसे आपने एक मशीन खरीदी, तो मशीन खरीदेंगे तो मशीन इज़ अ फिक्स्ड एसेट, वो हमारे पास एक फिक्स्ड एसेट्स है। और ये देखेंगे कि उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है, वो कितना क्वांटिटी बना रही है, तो कितना हम उससे अर्न कर सकते हैं। सो टोटली हम इस चीज़ से रिलेट करें तो ये कैपिटल बस्टिंग की फॉर्म में। सो गाइज आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर एंड रेवेन्यू एक्सपेंडिचर। सो फर्स्टली वी डिस्कस कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर. Capital expenditure is the expense is used for acquiring any fixed assets. In fixed assets we can say land, building, machineries, for generating revenue for at least for 5 to 10 years. So we can say it is a capital expenditure. And what is revenue expenditure? Revenue expenditure is means all the expenses incurred in 1 year and the revenue is also in the same year. Like we can say we can purchase extra raw material, or we can say we can increase our distribution channel. So in same year expenses incurred, and in same year revenue is also generated. So this is called revenue expenditure. Our next question is where does goodwill appear in balance sheet and why? So simple answer, this goodwill is appeared in the asset side in the balance sheet, and it is, we can say it is a intangible assets we cannot touch. And goodwill means suppose we have to acquire something, and the book value and the market value is around 20 lakh, but the goodwill is 30 lakh. So the extra margin we have to pay is goodwill, the reputation he has have. The 10 lakh portion is called goodwill because we have to pay excess for that thing, so we can say that it is a goodwill. Next question is, can depreciation be charged only on fixed assets? So that is not true. All depreciable assets are fixed assets, but all fixed assets are not depreciable. Like land, on land there is no depreciation at all. On fixed asset like furniture, machinery, etc., we can charge depreciation, but on land we cannot charge any depreciation because there is a no, when we use land there is no reduction on the land, so we cannot charge depreciation on the land. So guys, our next question is what is capital reserve? So capital reserve is a type of reserve that is created from capital profits, and purpose of capital reserve is preparing company from inflations and business expansion and funds for new projects. So capital reserve is created from capital profit earned through sales of capital assets or fixed assets, or we can say profit from sale of shares. So it is called capital reserve. Guys, next question is what is NPA? NPA means non-performing asset. it means non-performing asset means some person take advance or take loan from a bank and he did not pay the interest or principal amount, so that person is NPA for a bank. So he is not giving any interest or any principal amount to the bank, so bank have a loss, so there is a no the asset is not performing currently, so he did not pay any interest or principal amount to the bank. Our next question is, what is petty cash book? Petty cash book means smaller amount of expenses are recorded in books of accounts, like expenses of tea, expenses of newspaper, expenses of bus tickets, expenses of fuel charge. So this type of expenses can be recorded in petty cash book, and petty cash book is used for recording small or for small expenses, or we can say for nominal expenses incurred in business. So guys, our next question is, what is depreciation and amortization? So depreciation means the monetary value of an asset decreases over time due to wear and tear and obsolescence. So it means when we use some assets, while we use an asset, there are wear and tear things taken place, some bearings, or we can say some oiling, something has happened. So due to this, value of an asset is decreases, and depreciation is charged only on fixed assets, but amortization is charged on current assets and on non-touchable assets. So amortization can be charged on that things. So thank you so much guys for giving your time to watch this video. So please like and subscribe my channel, and please forward these questions to your friends also, so they can also get jobs in pandemic situation. Please like and subscribe my channel guys.